Guys, what's up? So I thought that I started this series about 2 months ago, so I'll continue this series and we'll talk about 10 MCQs based on current affairs for 23rd December 2016. ठीक है, चालू करें. So let's get started. Obviously you know this कि अगर 1 से 3 आपके करेक्ट हैं तो दे वेरी लो चांस ऑफ सिलेक्शन. 4 से 5 है तो ओके, 6 से 7 है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, 8 से ज़्यादा है तो आपका सिलेक्शन ऑलमोस्ट पक्का हो चुका है. If you do it on a consistent basis, एक दो दिन में नहीं. And please watch the Hindu video summary before this and pause the video as soon as question appear. And please write the score in the comment section below. And if you want me to make this lesson, let me know in the comment section. So let's get started, sir and ma'am. Which of the following organizations recently created a draft uniform civil code? Okay, so Rakesh Sinha, who Indian Policy Foundation, they had come up with 3 drafts of the Uniform Civil Code. So if you want to know in one word, the answer is Indian Policy Foundation. Okay, so others do not make any sense also. The answer is A. So Rakesh Sinha, who is heading the Indian Policy Foundation, they came up with at least 3 drafts of the Uniform Civil Code. Answer is A. Question number 2, which of the following is a trophy given to cricketer? So anybody who has followed any news whatsoever, so R. Ashwin was the ICC Test Cricketer of the Year and ICC Cricketer of the Year also. And Sir Garfield Sobers, he's the most famous cricketer after, let's say, Donald Bradman. So he's an all-rounder. He averaged more than 57, scored about 8,000 runs. He scored 365 on debut. In the first century, the first century converted, so it's the highest score, and Karun Nair became the 3rd batsman. So that is why it is important, because R. Ashwin got this trophy. So it might be asked in your match the following answer. So what is this Ballon d'Or? Can anybody say about this? Who gets it? Please comment below. So answer here is cricket. Obviously, R. Ashwin wins Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy for ICC Cricketer of the Year 2016. Question number 3, which of the consider the following statements regarding Poland. Poland opens up into the North Sea. सही है गलत है? गलत है. Why? Because Poland does not open up into the North Sea. It opens up into the Baltic Sea. It is bordered by Austria and Hungary. गलत है सही है? नहीं. It is not bordered by Austria and Hungary. It is bordered by Germany, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Ukraine, Belarus, Baltic Sea, Kaliningrad, that is Russia, and Lithuania. There is no border with Austria and Hungary. Third statement, the mountain ranges of the Sudets and Carpathian mountains lie to the south of Poland. Yes, this is absolutely correct. So this is a typical map based question. So if you have seen the European map, you will get it correct. So answer here is C3 only. Here you can read the entire description which I just recited. चले आगे. Question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding non-filers monitoring system. It helps in identifying non-filers of income tax. Yes. Data analysis is carried out to identify non-filers about whom specific information is available in various sources such as annual information return, centralized information branch, TDS, TCS statement, among others. Yes, both of them are correct. So answer is C, that is 1 and 2 only. Basically, Income Tax Department through its non-filers monitoring system has identified 67.54 lakh potential non-filers who carried out high value transaction in 14-15 but did not file income tax returns. Okay. Question number 5. Consider the following information regarding the Forbes India GDP data. Okay. The report puts India's 2006 GDP at rupees 153 trillion, which is $2.3 trillion. Okay. India surpassed UK in terms of GDP. Okay. And the GDP put out by Forbes is much lower than that estimated by IMF World Economic Outlook. So answer here is A, that is 1 and 2. IMF in October 2016 edition of World Economic Outlook estimated that is India's GDP for the year at 122 trillion, which was far lower than 153 trillion in the Forbes report. So it's vice versa. So third is wrong. 1 and 2 are correct. So answer is A, 1 and 2. Cool. Question number 6. Consider the following statements regarding TANSAT satellite. It is launched by Japan. It is a global carbon dioxide monitoring satellite to understand the effects of climate change. It is first satellite in the world to monitor greenhouse gases. Which of the following are correct? Answer here is C, that is 2 only. Why? Because it is China successfully launched TANSAT, and China became 3rd country after Japan and United States to have its own satellites to monitor. Okay. So third is also wrong, first is also wrong. So answer is 2 only, that is C. Okay, so you can read it's about global carbon dioxide monitoring satellite, and already Japan and USA have launched it. Question number 7. Which of the following is Colonel Colin Mackenzie famous for? Like, why is he famous? Do you know that? Obviously, between 1754 and 1821, he was a Scottish army officer. He became the first Surveyor General of India, and like he's famous for not Indus Valley civilization, because Indus Valley civilization was discovered in like very very later part of the like जब 1853 से पहले जब ट्रेन बननी थी वहाँ पे पाकिस्तान एरिया में, मॉडर्न डे पाकिस्तान में, so they dig up the bricks and that is how after like long time late in 1921 around it was discovered. Okay, so first Surveyor General of India, that is why he is very famous. Consider the following statements regarding Sahitya Academy Award. Sahitya Academy Award is conferred annually on writers of outstanding works in one of the 24 major Indian language. English is not included in this language. It was established in 1954. अब लोगों को लगता है कि साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड होगा तो इंग्लिश में नहीं देंगे, बट दिस इज रॉन्ग. That is why UPSC will punish you. English is also one of the major languages chosen for this award. Solution is B. Answer is 1 and 3 only. That is B. Okay. So rest 2 are correct. Which of the following states unveiled the Aerospace and Defense Policy 2016? So answer is Gujarat. So Gujarat government announced Aerospace and Defense Policy 2016 to attract investment into the fields of aerospace and defense design, development and manufacturing in the state. So answer is D. Question number 10. Which of the following organizations recently launched a toilet map locator for New Delhi? Okay, so which of the following organization recently launched a toilet map locator for New Delhi? So answer is, ऐसी चीज़ें कौन करता है? ऐसी चीज़ें सिर्फ Google करता है, because Google has a lot of maps and they can do whatever they want to with those maps. So Information and Broadcasting Minister launched Google Map toilet locator to help people find access to clean public restroom in New Delhi. काश मेरे टाइम पे भी होता. Anyway, Google Toilet Locator will be providing access to a toilet facility every 500 meters in the cities. So I hope you learned a lot from these lessons. Please write the score in the comments below, and thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day.